For years, most people believed NVIDIA was simply a company that made powerful computer chips for gamers and AI developers. But that picture has changed dramatically. Today, NVIDIA is no longer focused on powering just computers. It's trying to power the physical world itself. From self-driving cars and intelligent factories to industrial robots and even entire smart cities, the company's vision has become far bigger than almost anyone imagined. And that's exactly why its expanding partnership with Toyota matters. Toyota isn't just another automaker. It's one of the largest and most respected manufacturing companies in the world, producing millions of vehicles every year while leading innovation in mobility and automation. According to NVIDIA, the partnership now goes far beyond autonomous driving. The two companies are working together on AI-powered factories, robotics, smart transportation systems, and next-generation vehicles built on NVIDIA's Drive platform. In simple terms, this isn't about creating one new car. It's about building an entire AI ecosystem where machines can see, think, and make decisions in the real world. Imagine factories that predict equipment failures before they happen, robots that safely work alongside humans, traffic systems that respond instantly to changing road conditions, and vehicles that communicate with the infrastructure around them. That's the future NVIDIA and Toyota are trying to build together. And this partnership is just one part of NVIDIA's much larger strategy to move beyond AI chips and become the company providing the intelligence behind tomorrow's physical world. But if NVIDIA succeeds in doing that, one question becomes impossible to ignore. Will it simply remain the world's leading AI chip company? Or is it quietly becoming the operating system of the next industrial revolution? Toyota's decision to expand its partnership with NVIDIA wasn't made overnight. The two companies have worked together for years on autonomous driving technologies, but today's announcement shows that their ambitions have grown far beyond self-driving cars. According to NVIDIA, the expanded partnership now includes AI-powered factories, robotics, smart infrastructure, and future mobility systems. In other words, this isn't just about building better vehicles. It's about rethinking how entire industries operate. Modern factories generate enormous amounts of data every second. Machines constantly monitor temperature, pressure, vibration, production speed, and hundreds of other variables. Traditionally, much of that data was used only to detect problems after they happened. But with AI, companies hope to predict failures before they occur, optimize production automatically, reduce waste, improve energy efficiency, and make factories safer for workers. That's one of the biggest reasons NVIDIA has invested so heavily in what it calls physical AI. Instead of creating artificial intelligence that only understands text and images, physical AI is designed to understand movement, space, machines, and the real world. Toyota's vision fits perfectly into that strategy. The company has spent decades refining manufacturing through the famous Toyota Production System, a model that influenced factories around the world. Now, the next evolution isn't simply faster assembly lines. It's intelligent factories where AI continuously analyzes operations and helps improve them in real time. NVIDIA provides many of the technologies needed for that future, including its Drive platform for intelligent vehicles, Omniverse for digital simulation, robotics software, and AI computing platforms capable of processing enormous amounts of industrial data. Before companies build new factories or production lines, they can first create digital twins, virtual copies that simulate real-world conditions. Engineers can test different layouts, predict bottlenecks, improve efficiency, and solve problems before construction even begins. That reduces costs, saves time, and lowers operational risk. But the partnership doesn't stop at factories. Both companies are also looking towards smarter transportation systems and connected cities. Imagine traffic lights that adapt instantly to congestion, vehicles that communicate with surrounding infrastructure, warehouses where autonomous robots coordinate deliveries, and public transport systems that respond dynamically to changing demand. None of these ideas rely on a single breakthrough. They require powerful computing, advanced AI models, reliable software, and long-term partnerships between technology companies and manufacturers. That's exactly why this announcement matters. It signals that NVIDIA wants its technology to become part of the infrastructure that powers everyday life, not just cloud servers or AI chatbots. There's another reason this partnership deserves attention. Around the world, governments and businesses are investing hundreds of billions of dollars into artificial intelligence infrastructure. Most people focus on the AI models or the chatbots they use every day, but behind every intelligent system is an enormous physical network of chips, factories, robots, sensors, and data centers. NVIDIA understands that if it wants to remain the leader of the AI era, it can't rely only on selling GPUs. It needs its technology to become part of the entire ecosystem. That's why the company has expanded into robotics, simulation software, autonomous driving platforms, networking, and industrial AI. Toyota is one of the first global manufacturers to embrace that broader vision, but it probably won't be the last. As more industries adopt AI, the demand for intelligent infrastructure will continue to grow. However, success is far from guaranteed. Building smart factories and intelligent cities is far more complex than building faster computers. These projects require years of investment, cooperation between governments, manufacturers, software companies, and technology providers. They also raise important questions about cybersecurity, privacy, safety, regulation, and the future of human jobs. Every company entering this space will face enormous technical and economic challenges. NVIDIA may currently lead many areas of AI computing, but maintaining that leadership will require constant innovation. Competitors, including AMD, Intel, Qualcomm, Mobileye, Tesla, Huawei, and many others, are investing billions to capture a share of the same future. The race has only just begun. What's becoming increasingly clear is that the next phase of artificial intelligence won't be limited to chatbots answering questions on our screens. AI is moving into factories that build products, warehouses that ship packages, robots that assist workers, vehicles that navigate busy roads, and infrastructure that helps entire cities operate more efficiently. Companies that successfully combine hardware, software, and AI into one complete ecosystem may define the next generation of global technology. NVIDIA believes it can become one of those companies. Toyota believes AI will transform the future of manufacturing and transportation. Whether this partnership ultimately changes the world remains to be seen, but it clearly shows where both companies believe the future is heading. So perhaps the real story isn't that NVIDIA expanded its partnership with Toyota. The real story is that NVIDIA is steadily transforming from a company known for graphics chips into one trying to build the intelligence behind the physical world itself. And if that strategy succeeds, the biggest AI revolution may not happen inside your phone or your computer. It may happen everywhere around you, often without you even noticing. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more deep dives into NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, TSMC, OpenAI, robotics, artificial intelligence, and the technologies shaping the future. Because the AI revolution isn't slowing down. It's only getting started.